Hello everyone, and a massive congratulations to all the aspiring nurses out there. The moment you've all been waiting for is finally here. The Professional Regulation Commission, or the PRC, has officially released the results of the November 2025 Nurses Licensure Examination. This is a huge day, and we're here to break down all the details for you. First, let's talk numbers because they are absolutely incredible. A staggering 40,692 out of 45,192 examinees have successfully passed the exam. That's an amazing passing rate, and it speaks volumes about the dedication and hard work of everyone who took the test. You should all be incredibly proud of this monumental achievement. The examination was conducted by the Board of Nursing across 21 testing centers all over the Philippines. This was a nationwide effort, and the results reflect a bright future for the healthcare industry in our country. A huge shout out and thank you to the Board of Nursing for making this possible. The board is led by Chairperson, the Honorable Leah Primitiva Espaquis, along with members Honorable Elsie A.T., Honorable Zenaida C. Gagno, Honorable Mary Grace C. Lacanaria, Honorable Mila Delia M. Lanes, Honorable Merle L. Salvani, and Honorable Josefina A. Tuazon. Their commitment ensures the high standards of the nursing profession in the Philippines. Now, for everyone who's seeing their name on that pass list, I know you're asking, what's next? Let's get into the important details for your registration. The initial registration for your Professional Identification Card, or your PRC ID, and your Certificate of Registration will start on December 23, 2025. The entire process is done online, which makes it super convenient. You'll need to head over to the official PRC website at www.prc.gov.ph. Once you're on the site, just look for the instructions for initial registration and follow the steps carefully. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you read everything to avoid any hiccups. When you go for your in-person appointment after your online registration, there are several documents you need to bring. Let's go through them one by one so you don't forget anything. First, you'll need your downloaded and accomplished oath form, also known as the Panunampaang Professional. You'll find this on the PRC website during your online registration. Second, bring your notice of admission. This is just for identification purposes, so they can verify it's really you. Third, you need to prepare 2 pieces of passport-sized pictures. Pay close attention to the requirements for these photos. They must be in color, taken against a plain white background, and must have your complete name tag. For example, if your name is Juan de la Cruz, the tag should clearly display Juan de la Cruz. Fourth, you'll need 2 sets of documentary stamps. You can usually buy these at the PRC office or nearby stalls, but it's always a good idea to have them ready beforehand. And finally, you need 1 piece of a short brown envelope. Simple enough, but easy to forget, so add it to your checklist. A very important reminder: all successful examinees must personally register and sign in the roster of registered professionals. This isn't something you can delegate to a friend or family member. Your personal appearance is required, so make sure to schedule your appointment on a day you are free. This is your official entry into the esteemed roster of Filipino professionals, so it's a personal milestone you have to complete yourself. Now, I know the next big question on your minds is about the oath-taking ceremony. This is the official ceremony where you will be sworn in as a registered nurse. It's a truly special and memorable event for every new professional. As of now, the PRC has announced that the date and venue for the oath-taking ceremony will be announced later. So, what does this mean for you? Keep a very close eye on the official PRC website and their official social media pages. This is where they will post the definitive updates about the schedule, the venue, and any procedures for the oath-taking. We'll also do our best to keep you updated here on our channel as soon as that information becomes available, so make sure you're subscribed. To those who may not have found their names on the list this time, please do not be discouraged. This is not the end of your journey. Remember that resilience is one of the most important qualities of a great nurse. Take this as an opportunity to learn, to grow stronger, and to prepare even better for the next time. Your dream is still valid, and it is absolutely within your reach. Reach out to your friends, family, and mentors for support. Remember, many successful professionals have faced setbacks along the way. What matters is that you get back up and try again. And for our passers, let this moment sink in. All those sleepless nights, the countless hours of review, the sacrifices you and your family made, it has all paid off. You are now on the cusp of starting a noble and rewarding career. The path of a nurse is one of immense responsibility, compassion, and service. You are about to become a source of comfort, care, and healing for so many people. It's a powerful role, and you have earned it. Now, for the most exciting part, checking the list of successful examinees. The full list has been published and is organized alphabetically. To make it easier for you, we've placed the direct links to the complete list of passers in the description box right below this video. You can find the links broken down by surname. Just find the link that corresponds to the first letter of your last name. Click on it and scroll to find your name. Go ahead, check the description now. Seeing your name on that list is a feeling like no other, a true confirmation that you've made it. Share this moment with your loved ones. They have been your biggest supporters on this journey, and this victory is theirs too. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, congratulations to the 4,692 new registered nurses of the Philippines. Welcome to the profession. Your journey is just beginning, and we are so excited to see the incredible impact you will make in the world of healthcare. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and fellow future nurses. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on PRC exams, career tips, and inspiring stories. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Congratulations again, and we'll see you in the next one.